Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Well, today we are making spaghetti with pasta. These are the ingredients. In a pan, I put in palm oil. You can use vegetable oil if you like. We're going with some onions. I'm going to fry it for a bit. I put in pepper mix. I'll fry it for some time. I'm putting spices, garlic powder, curry, thyme, and some other spices that you would like. Seasoning cube, fish. You can use other protein if you like. I'm going with Irish. I'll put a little water so that I can cook the potatoes. I put water on in a pot. When it's boiled, I put in the sparks. I'm going to cook it half done. Strain the water, put it inside the mixture and mix. I'll add in some spring onions and a little bit of the pasta water. I'll cover it and I'll to simmer for some time. Then tada, we are done. See you next time.